Unequivocally, yes. An inexperienced operator of a truck can be a weapon on the road. And I would say from my humble experience that the less experienced truck operators are much more likely to cause catastrophic injury. When their vehicle, their truck, which is normally enormous and extremely heavy, might as well be a weapon on the road. And any weapon in inexperienced hands, irresponsible hands, negligent hands, can cause severe damage, maim, and kill people. The best way to protect your rights is to contact an experienced New York negligence lawyer as soon as possible after the accident.